In this video, I want to talk about HTML lists. HTML lists are important HTML elements, not only for organizing, different lists of content, but also for things like navigation bars and putting together other content throughout your website. So let me show you how to do this. First thing I'll show you is how to write up an unordered list. So they'll start with a UL, and then just like any other tag, we'll go ahead and close that / and then within that we'll add our list items, and those just go with two tags, an li, and you end the li, and then again li. So of course you can add as many items to the list as you like. I'm just going to show you two here just for the example. So if I refresh, I don't have anything in there, but you can see 2 bullet points for where my content would go. So I can quickly add in a couple things. So I'll say dogs, cats. So if I save that and refresh, you can see it's went ahead and listed out dogs and cats, the little indent from the side of the page. Another type of list I'll show you is ordered lists. The only difference between ordered list and unordered list is because an ordered list actually numbers out. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is as many as you want to put. The way you write those, instead of UL, we put OL. And then just the same way, we'll close that off and then add in our list items. And let me speed up a little bit. I'll just do a little bit of copy and paste here. And I can add stuff in dog, cat, bird, fish. Save that. And you can see it's went ahead and listed those right there. So you can see the only big difference between writing out an unordered list and an ordered list is an unordered list starts with a UL and then ends with a UL. An ordered list is an OL and ends with an OL. But both of them have list items, which are written LI and then end with an LI tag. One other thing we can add to these is we can add in list descriptions. So the way we would write this is that, let me just go ahead and drop down a little bit lower. We could add in a define list tag. So the way we look is DL. Yeah, add one more space. And of course, we're going to want to close off our DL. Description list, that's what that stands for. And then DT. Let me close that off too. And then a DD for our description. Okay, so you can see what the code looks like right here. Let me just add something in. I'll say dog, my DT, and then my description will be I like dogs. If I save that out and refresh on my page, you can see is that it puts the first list item, dog, and then underneath that, indented, it puts the description. So if I copy this again and just change out this text a little bit, we'll say cat, I don't like cats. So if I refresh that again, you can see we probably won't be using the different description lists as much, but just know it's a nice way to be able to do it. It'll format your text really easily, and there's definitely a lot of instances where you probably, within a list, you would have descriptions for each one.